food is something that brings us all together, and that everyone's always happy when around food. So I want to be able to share that kind of feeling with everyone around me.
Learn everything in 3 months, but it's a good thing that like I learned so many things from ICCA, and then like meet so many new people and make friends.
It is way more better than what I expected from the start. I found an ICCA family, so that was one of the happiest moments of my life in ICCA.
It is very intense because from day one you're getting pushed. The quality of product that we use in ICCA Dubai are same as the hotel standards. So it's like hands-on, directly getting into the hotel.
We did a lot of events. We're part of the Top Chef Dubai competition, where we had to assist chefs from, like executive chefs from very famous restaurants. And I was put with the chef of 5 Palm, and it was a pleasure working with him.
We also did a graduation party. We prepared for like 200 to 300 people in less than 2 days. That was a lot of pressure, a lot of hard work, but seeing everyone working like as a team and just so amazing together, it worked out.